Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your PSP won't turn on pretty easily. So basically what you'll need to do is take out your SD card if you have one, and after that what you'll need to do is take out the battery. So this is right here is the battery. So let's take it out like this, and now what we'll need to do is basically take our charger, plug it in like this, and now try powering it on. If that doesn't work, what you'll need to do is select on this triangle, so click on the triangle and then on rectangle and click select and start at the same time, and that should hard reset your PSP. If that doesn't work, you can try going into recovery mode. So for this one, we will need to put our battery again, as you can see like this. Hold the right bumper and try powering it on. So let's see if that works. It should go into the hard reset mode, and that should fix our problem. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.